Dear students, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also fine. So this is Kazi Muhammad Shahidullah, assistant teacher, Shamsul Haqqani School and College, English version. Today I am here with the English second paper for class 4. So dear students, we have already finished our first and second semester. Now we have already started our third semester, and we are working on that. So this is the first class for third semester, and now there are so many items in third semester syllabus. So among them, articles is one of them. So before 2 semester, we have taken a class on this topic. So I have decided to take a class on this topic for remind all the rules and regulations for articles. So dear students, you have know that very well that articles, there are 3 articles in English grammar, A, N, and D. So there are 2 types of articles, that is definite and indefinite articles. So I would like to say rangingly in English, there are 3 articles, A, N, and D. Articles are used before nouns or noun equivalents or a type of adjective. So the definite article, as the articles are 2 kinds, definite and indefinite articles. So the definite article D is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. Dear students, here I would like to mention here the nouns which is already known to you. You must use D. The nouns which is not known to you is not known to you. You will use A or N before them. So definite article here in red color, you see the used before a singular or plural noun. I mean both singular or plural noun. Before them you can use the D, but A and N you must use before singular noun. So it is called indefinite article. So A is used before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound, consonant or consonant sound, and N is used before a singular noun beginning with vowel or vowel sound. So I have mentioned here a table like this. Let's see. It will be clear to you if I show you the table like this. Let's see. Dear students, let's see here. This is the table. Please see here. Count nouns or non-count nouns. Rule number 1: specific identity, not unknown. Specific identity. I mean, it is definite. So it is not definite. I mean specific identity not known to you. It is not known to you. You must use A and N. And non-count noun, you need not to use any articles. It will be blank. Number 2, specific identity known. I mean the noun which is already known to you. You must use before them D. Number 3, all things or things in general, no article. So this table you must see several times. If you don't understand anything, you can knock me. Then I will clear to you. I will disclose everything. This next, I would like to go to the rules. Please see rule number 1. Please here see. I would like to show you the rule number 1: specific identity not known. I mean use the indefinite article A or N only with a singular count noun. I mean the noun which is countable. Before them you must use A or N, whose identity is not known to the reader. I mean to you. You do not know the identity of this noun. I mean the noun which is not familiar to you, you need to use A or N. use a before noun that begins with a consonant sound, and use an before noun that begins with a vowel sound. So I would like to go to the next point. C, use the a or an to indicate any non-specific number or group or category. I think an animal is in the garage. So here is, you see, and has been used before animal because this animal is not known to you. That man is a scoundrel. Here you see scoundrel, you do not know. So that is why you have to use here a, as it is started as consonant sound. So like this way, you would get many example here. Please see, sometimes you will use the articles before a consonant sound or and vowel sound. Please see here, a boy and apple. So in this way, you have to put the articles. Rule number 2. Please see here. I'd like to show you specific identity known. I mean the nouns which are already known to you. Use the definite article the with any noun, whether singular or plural, count or non-count. That is not the fact. The fact is the noun which is specific. It is singular, plural, both are before them. You can use the. So in this, follow the following situation. Use the article the when a particular noun has already been mentioned previously. See, I ate an apple yesterday. The apple has juicy and delicious. See here, an apple and the apple. You can differentiate between them because see, first of all, you have used and before apple because it is not known to you. That is why it is not specific. That is why we have used here and. But after the second apple, we have used here the because it is has already known to you. I mean, if a single sentence you get two nouns in before first noun, you can use a and the, and after the second noun, you can second time whenever this noun will be used second time, you need to use the. So the boy sitting next to the raise is his hand. Thank you for the advice. So in this way, you have to study these articles. I would like to go to the next. Please see here. I have given some example. So before going to this example, I would like to show another thing. That is rule number 3. See, all things or things in general, use no article with a plural count nouns or any non-count nouns used to mean all or in general. Please see, I mean in general, all things or things in general. I mean it is not a specific, it is not singular. So all things in general, we did not use articles. So it is for upper class, it is not applicable for it. So I don't like to waste my time here. Please see the example. So it will be it will be your HW, today's HW, and I would like to show you some example here. In the suitable articles here in the following sentence. A man was sitting under a tree. The clouds float in the sky. Tara is a selfish girl. So like this way, I mean in first sentence or number 1, you can use here a man, a and b, both are correct here. So in this way, you have to put the articles from sentence number 1 to 20. I have given here some fill in the blanks, and you have to write down all of the fill in the blanks as your HW and send it to my messenger group. I would like to show you again. Please see here. Class 4 articles, question fill in the blanks, articles in the following sentence. So you can take a snap. Next, another question here. See, from 10 to 20. I mean, there are 20 sentences from 1 to 20. So you have to do as your HW. And if you have any confusion, you can inform me. So these are all for today. So I would like to summarize. I would like to summarize today's lesson. So this is the articles. I mean, articles in English. There are three articles: A, N, and B. So A, N, A, N, and B. D is used before specific noun. I mean, a particular noun or the noun which is only one in the universe. And A and N is used before non-specific noun, but it is used before singular noun. I mean, noun which has already started with consonant, you must use A, and the noun which has already started with vowel, you must use N. So these are all for today. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.